Now, I know this training is supposed to be all about ChatGPT and how to use it. Right now, I'm going to go over 7 ways how to use ChatGPT and AI for lead generation. We're not going to go over all of them. I'm going to pick one, and I'm going to show you guys how to use ChatGPT to implement that one strategy for lead generation. The first thing you can do is build out a website chatbot. You can implement ChatGPT as a chatbot on your website. It can engage visitors for you, answer their queries, and collect their contact information all while you sleep. The second way is for lead qualification in lead generation. So you can use ChatGPT to qualify leads by asking for specific questions. It can gather relevant details about their needs, budget, timeline, and preferences. This data helps you understand the prospect's requirements and allows you to tailor your offerings accordingly. Again, you can build out a web bot, or chatbot, I should say, that can do this for you all on autopilot. The third thing you could do for lead generation is content promotion. Leverage ChatGPT to recommend and promote valuable content such as ebooks, white papers, webinars, and so forth. When visitors interact with the chatbot, it can suggest relevant resources and capture their email addresses in exchange for accessing the content. Many of you guys know of ManyChat. This is one way that people were using ManyChat with Facebook to capture email addresses and then deliver the content, or the lead magnet, if you will. This will build your email list and generate leads for you. The fourth way is personalized recommendations. Train ChatGPT to provide personalized recommendations based on the user's preferences. By understanding their interests and needs, you can suggest products and services that align with their requirements. This personalized approach increases the likelihood of converting the lead into customer. Next, we have social media engagement. Utilize ChatGPT on social media platforms to engage with your audience, respond to comments, direct messages, and inquiries using a chatbot. By properly addressing queries and nurturing conversations, you can generate leads from social media channels. The sixth way is lead magnets. Develop interactive quizzes, assessments, or surveys using ChatGPT. Promote these lead magnets on your website or social media platforms to capture user data. The chatbot can guide users through the interactive experience and collect their contact information, turning them into potential leads. And the final way is email marketing automation. Integrate ChatGPT with your email marketing system with the collected leads to send automated, personalized follow-up emails. By delivering relevant content and nurturing the relationship through email sequences, you can convert leads, I should say, into paying customers. And so there is a really cool extension, I believe it's called Magical ChatGPT AI Writer and Text Expansion. So let's go ahead and take a look at that really quick. And so if you guys install this right here, this extension, Magical ChatGPT AI Writer and Text Expander, it's going to help you be able to implement number 7, email marketing automation. Because what this thing does, it's really neat. You should just watch the video. They can explain it better. But basically, it can prepare a canned note for you and automatic replies, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's all by just doing like a / and it'll do it for you. So that's for the email marketing automation. But what I wanted to get into today was lead magnets. So how can we use ChatGPT to come up with lead magnets? So for example, with the sound healing business, please come up with 10 different lead magnet ideas for our sound healing certification business. Hit enter, and it's going to come back and it's going to provide all 7 for you, just like that. And then you can go ahead and pick and choose which one you want to implement. Anything from Sound Healing Starter Kit, a beginner's guide. Offer a free downloadable kit that includes a introductory ebook, a selection of soothing sound healing tracks, and a guide to basic sound healing techniques. 7-day sound healing challenge, sound healing instrument selection guide, healing frequencies cheat sheet, sound healing case studies, the science behind sound healing, meditative soundscape album, Sound Healing Business Starter Kit, and live sound healing webinar. These are all great ideas that I'm going to use to implement in our business to gain new students for our sound healing certification classes. Hope you liked today's lesson. Got more for you coming tomorrow. We're going to get into some advanced topics like how to create personas or voices for your brand. We'll talk soon.